BSI's role in achieving a net zero future is to help companies see that it's possible.
Leading companies around the world have already made changes to the way they deliver products and services to decarbonize those, to show that they're more sustainable because they think it's good for their shareholders, it's good for their employees, it's good for their customers and clients. Their supply chain is demanding that they go further to become net zero. So they need standards of best practice to do that. And we are adapting all of the historic catalogue of industry standards to ensure that they are going to deliver a net zero outcome for companies that are using them. So it's in everybody's interests, and we see an accelerating trend that companies really want not only to say they're sustainable, but actually to prove it.
The ISO Net Zero guidelines are the first deliverable within the ISO framework that defines net zero and a credible path to achieve it. And BSI led the development of these guidelines, which represent for the first time the convergence and harmonization of a historically fragmented and disparate net zero governance landscape. In fact, research has found that fewer than 4% of net zero commitments are backed by credible plans to achieve them. And the ISO Net Zero guidelines, which BSI helped to develop and is now leading to conversion to a full certifiable standard, can help support organizations of all shapes, sizes, and jurisdictions to develop those credible paths to net zero.
The future of net zero is all about adopting these standards by companies and sectors all over the world. We are already seeing countries adopting the net zero guidelines as part of their infrastructure, and we need to see regulators using the net zero guidelines and recognizing the importance of aligning industry standards with their financial reporting standards. That will unlock the transition that companies need to make to change their products and services to become a net zero operation.